all get by without a tree in our house. We need to make sure all the trees at the house are stable, you know? Oh shit.
Oh shit. That might just come down. Might have. James would have said something.
He said there was a tree down in front of our house.
Oh, okay. Who lives here?
David McCarthy. I don't see any trees down. Thank God we cleared all those trees. That's it. Where'd that damn tree come from?
I don't know. I can't find the split off.
Alright, let's check on these people, make sure they're alright.